If you own a 2004 to 2006 Pontiac GTO, you know that factory shift knob is probably looking rough. This replacement promises to bring back that showroom feel, but there's a catch you absolutely need to know about before buying. We're looking at the TETXSLA 6-speed manual shift, knob and boot, specifically designed for the GTO's T56 transmission. This is a direct replacement for those worn-out factory pieces, covering part numbers LMP1305 and LMP1316. Visually, the upgrade is immediate. The leatherette material feels robust, and that bright red stitching is a fantastic touch, perfectly complementing the aggressive interior theme of the GTO. For a car that's approaching 20 years old, refreshing the main touchpoint in the cabin makes a massive difference in the driving experience. Now, let's talk about the installation reality. While this is built to high industry standards, the manufacturer includes a very specific warning. Applying silicone is recommended to keep the knob from spinning on the shifter. This is a critical detail. It tells us this isn't a simple, friction-fit OEM replacement. You need to be prepared to secure it properly if you want reliable, non-rotating shifts. Don't skip that step, or you'll be fighting the knob every time you grab third gear. The second major point to note is what is not included. This kit gives you the knob and the boot, but it explicitly excludes the retainer bezel, which is part number LMP1318. If your original bezel is cracked, broken, or missing, you will need to source that piece separately. This isn't a deal breaker, but it's crucial for managing expectations during your install day. Overall, this TETXSLA shift knob and boot offers a high-impact visual and tactile upgrade for the GTO owner looking to restore their center floor console. It's a cost-effective solution that delivers on style and feel, provided you are ready to follow the installation instructions, especially that silicone recommendation, and reuse your existing bezel. If you go in prepared, this is a solid, necessary refresh for your manual GTO.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.